Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Charge the Jabra earbuds and unlock your iPhone so Bluetooth settings are ready. On the earbuds, press and hold the pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This tells the earbuds to advertise themselves. On the iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth, leave that screen visible. Once done, the iPhone will scan and list nearby devices. Make sure nothing else is paired nearby to avoid confusion. Next, find and select the Jabra Elite 8 active entry in the iPhone's Bluetooth list. Tap it to initiate pairing. If the phone asks for confirmation or a PIN, accept the prompt or enter 0000 if required. This is standard for many headsets. Listen for an audible confirmation from the earbuds and watch the iPhone for a connected status. Once connected, make sure media and call audio toggles are enabled under the device name, so both music and calls route. Finish by testing audio playback and placing a brief call to confirm microphone and sound both work. For the best performance, install Jabra Sound Plus and update firmware or customize EQ. This solves many quirks. If pairing does not succeed, reset the earbuds by following Jabra's reset steps, usually holding buttons or using the case. Then repeat pairing from scratch. If problems persist, toggle iPhone Bluetooth or restart the phone. That often clears lingering connection caches and fixes issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.